How to see my purchase history on Temu. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see your purchase history on Temu. So let's get started. First, open up the app. You can use the website too. It's completely fine, it's up to you. After you open the app up, tap on You section. It's on the bottom. Now, before I teach you guys the next step, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back into it. Now after you are on the You section, what you'll need to do is go to your orders. And here you will see all of your orders that you've done till now. Now here, go to the delivered section and this will be your purchase history on Temu. Now here you can see all of your delivered orders that you have ever ordered and got delivered to you. You can even go to the shipped section where you can see all of the products that have been shipped. And yeah, that is basically how you see the purchase history on your Temu app. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.